As the crisp air of fall arrives and the leaves start to turn their beautiful shades of red, orange, and yellow, it's the perfect time to bring some of that natural beauty inside. One of the simplest and most effective ways to do this is by creating stunning leaf centerpieces for your home. These centerpieces not only capture the essence of the season, but also add a warm and welcoming touch to your decor. Today, we'll explore some easy and beautiful leaf centerpiece ideas that will help you celebrate fall and Thanksgiving in style. Basket tray centerpiece. Start with a rustic basket tray and fill it with fall pumpkins, berries, fall leaves, and a rust-colored candle in a decorative candle holder. This combination brings a warm, inviting feel to any room. Green blooms and leaf arrangement. Use a mix of green blooms, fall leaves, gourds, and pumpkins for a natural look. Add tall, thin candles to complete this beautiful fall centerpiece, perfect for a dining table. Rust and gold elegance. Create a centerpiece with pumpkins, apothecary bottles filled with grasses and leaves, and small lights. The rust and gold tones will add a rich, warm touch to your fall decor. Bright yellow leaf display. Arrange white pumpkins and bright yellow leaves on branches in a clear vase for a simple yet striking centerpiece. This bright and natural look brings a burst of fall color indoors. Rustic orange and white arrangement. Combine orange roses, fall leaves, and a white pumpkin in a vase wrapped with white bark. This chic, rustic centerpiece is perfect for a coffee table or sideboard. Woodland-inspired display. Use a wood slice as a base and top it with antlers, fall leaves, a glass filled with cranberries, blooms, and leaves. This woodland-inspired centerpiece brings a touch of nature indoors. Pumpkin and leaf centerpiece. Create a standout fall decoration by attaching bright fall leaves to a pumpkin. This unique centerpiece is sure to catch the eye. Wooden box with natural elements. Fill a wooden box with pine cones, berries, fall leaves, and candles in glass holders. This farmhouse-style centerpiece adds a cozy, rustic touch to your decor. Farmhouse bucket display. Use a bucket filled with fall leaves, acorns, fall pumpkins, and lights for a cozy, farmhouse-style centerpiece that adds warmth to any room. Golden velvet and dried leaves. Arrange mustard velvet pumpkins with dried leaves, white flowers, and candles for a golden, luxurious centerpiece that adds a touch of elegance to your table. Southern fall charm. Create a lovely southern-style centerpiece with a wood slice, a soup bowl filled with leaves, a pine cone, a moss ball, and a pear. This unique combination adds character and charm. Bright rustic candle display. Combine candles, white pumpkins, leaves, and foliage for a bright and cool rustic centerpiece that brings fall's beauty indoors. Simple leaf vase. Place fall leaves in a clear vase on a wooden slice for a simple, natural centerpiece that highlights the beauty of autumn leaves. DIY cork and leaf vase. Fill a glass vase with wine corks and add branches with fall leaves for a quick and easy DIY centerpiece that looks great on any table. Rustic box arrangement. Use a wooden box filled with fall leaves, berries, pumpkins, and pillar candles to create a simple, rustic fall centerpiece that's perfect for any room. Natural pine cone and berry display. Arrange pine cones, berries, fall leaves, and pillar candles in a wooden box for a rustic, fall-inspired centerpiece that's easy to make and looks great. Tall glass vase with pumpkins. Use a tall glass vase filled with white pumpkins and bright fall leaves for an easy, bold look that adds height and color to your decor. Pebbles, leaves, and roses. Create a chic, natural look with a vase filled with pebbles, dried fall leaves, white roses, and wheat. This combination adds a fresh, earthy feel to your fall decor. Rustic wooden box with fall pumpkins. Fill a wooden box with fall pumpkins and fall leaves for a simple yet elegant centerpiece that fits perfectly with a rustic table setting. All-natural planter display. Use a planter filled with berries, bright leaves on branches, and fall pumpkins on stands to create an all-natural fall centerpiece that's perfect for any table. There you have it, some inspiring ideas for creating beautiful leaf centerpieces that will make your home feel warm and welcoming this fall and Thanksgiving season. Remember, the key is to have fun and let your creativity shine as you bring the beauty of the fall season into your home. Happy decorating!